What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode, and today I'm going to be talking about the 5 best features on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So without further delay, let's dive right in. Alright, so the number 1 best feature hands down on the 7 Pro is definitely that display. It's got a 6.67 inch Quad HD Fluid AMOLED display, and what that means is it's called a fluid display because it has a 90 Hz refresh rate. Now, most phones nowadays, actually almost every phone on the market, especially in the US, uses a 60 Hz refresh rate. Now, if you guys look at the new iPad Pros, those use a 120 Hz refresh rate, and those, you can notice they feel more fluid, they're more buttery smooth, and the OnePlus 7 Pro is exactly like this. Once you pick it up and you start using this phone, it's hard to go back to a phone that doesn't have the same refresh rate. Colors on this are amazing. They just pop out. They're vibrant. The display is huge. It's amazing to watch videos on it. It's definitely probably the best feature on the 7 Pro. The second feature that I enjoy the most, it's the dual stereo speakers that the 7 Pro has, powered by Dolby Atmos. Now, the 6T and the 6 and every other OnePlus device before it, they never had dual speakers, but this 7 Pro, it gets the job done. It's super loud, and even if you block the bottom firing speaker, you can still get sound from its front-facing speaker. They're really good. Number 3 is a triple rear camera setup. Now, a lot of people would disagree with me and say that's probably like the worst component out of the phone, but they came out with the new update 9.5.7, and I have a video of that. I'll link in the description down below, but that definitely improves the camera quality on the 7 Pro. Especially, I've been using Nightscape and I've been getting amazing shots with that. I've been getting amazing photos. Portrait mode is amazing. It gets the job done as well. Front facing camera pops up from the top of the phone. It's a motorized camera because it has a full display, full screen display. That front facing camera is really good as well. You will not be disappointed with the photos you get, and I definitely recommend it, especially with the new update that OnePlus came out with. So number 4 is Oxygen OS. It's running on Android 9.0 Pie, and it's probably the best custom OS that you'll be getting from any OEM. It's better than Samsung, it's better than LG, because they don't add in so many bloatware like the other companies do. They have their own features that give it that beauty and taste of more than just stock Android. I've been using Samsung's One UI before, and that's a huge improvement from its past UIs, but nothing beats Oxygen OS. Nothing beats it. It gets the job done. And number 5 is definitely Warp Charge. This phone charges really damn quickly. It's got a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. Yes, it might drain faster because of its Quad HD and 90 Hz refresh rate display, but it also charges really quickly. I don't need to charge at night. I wake up in the morning, charge it 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and I'm all set for the day. And it doesn't have wireless charging, but that Warp Charge, 30 watts, does help really well. Like, you can just rely on it and it'll get you throughout the day. Charge it for 30 minutes and you're all set. That's it. You don't need to charge it for the whole day. You don't need to. And the great thing is this charges from about 0 to 100 in approximately 60 to 70 minutes. That's only an hour of your day. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. There are still more videos of the OnePlus 7 Pro coming to the channel. I still have to put up my review for that, so stay tuned. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to comment down below, Superman that like button, and best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until the next video, this is MTG.